All right, so this is one of the main reasons we use local guys, Subiaco Restoration. We were only in their factory maybe a week ago and already delivering the stuff. This is the kind of stuff that excites me.
Nobody loves a selfie more than the Ron Dog. I've just got to...
Because I have taken a lot.
I know. Just demonstrate how good you are at a selfie.
I have taken the
want
secret
me in it or
of a good
just you?
selfie. What's going on with that hair?
Loves a selfie. Actually loving this space. This is our living room and we've got this fireplace detail. You can see where the red bricks are. It used to just be a really small fireplace. There actually used to be a bedroom wall here. So to make it more of a feature, we've decided to extend it to the wall here. We're going to do some gorgeous timber paneling across the front of this framework. And then we have this amazing electric heater.
It's cool, isn't it?
Ron Dog.
Yo!
All good?
Oh good man, I should have been a chippy. This really excites me when I work with wood. You know?
Timber. Real chippies call it timber, mate.
Mate, I'm past being a real chippy. I missed my calling.
I feel like people might think there's just a lot of me standing around not doing much, but see, I'm the brains of the project. I got to keep the Ron Dog on track. I've got 50 balls up in the air, suppliers, I've got like deadlines to meet. So, you know, this is the captain driving the ship, you know, just overseeing it all. Ron?
You're amazing.
Thanks, darling.
You really are amazing. You're quite a distraction when you come to work, Bart, because I miss my measurement.
I'm sensing sarcasm from right here down there.
So we're ready to put the feature panel on the fireplace. Now this particular panel is the Easy Craft Convex 35. We brought it from Subiaco Restoration. Now I've done the measurements around the fireplace. So important to use a track saw. Now whenever you're cutting any type of timber, make sure you wear the correct PPE. So here we go. Put it on the right way, that would help. Cut. Oh my gosh. I've hit the marks. I've hit the level.
Now put the fireplace in.
I should have been a chippy.
Now put the fireplace in, just so we can see what it looks like.
I really should have been a chippy. You know, that's why they call me millimetre perfect.
They don't call you millimetre perfect, mate. You call yourself millimetre perfect.
Well, they will be after this series, mate.
Oh, you got that so good. And then once this is obviously painted the white colour, the colours will make sense.
Can we just appreciate the laser? Look at that.
Yeah, mate.
Millimetre perfect right there.
That is, that's good. All our cornicing has now also been installed. The profile of this cornice is very in keeping with the genre of the home. It's got that Art Deco style. So we wanted to retain a little bit of character and try and find that balance between modern mid-century. So I think we've done that really well with the cornice. Whilst the renovation is in full swing of the house, the subdivision's happening in the background. We've got Vision Surveys Consulting. They're in the background plugging away, doing everything that they need to do. So I caught up with Mon just to have a quick chat about where we were at with everything. Mon, okay, I just need, this really is just confirmation that we're on the right track. We're into the subdivision, we're well into the subdivision. This has come through from the WAPC. Yep. Are we on track with all the conditions in terms of what Ronnie and I need to be doing, not what you guys are doing? I'm sure you're over it.
Yeah. We're all over it. We're ahead of the game. You guys have fulfilled all of your conditions.
Okay.
We're in a good position to go straight into the Planning Commission and to Landgate. There's nothing else that you guys really need to worry about. It's just a matter of going through the process.
So we've done the sewer.
Yep, you've done the sewer, you've done the power, you've done the site clearing, crossover, car bays.
Yep. I'm not gonna lie, it can be really overwhelming and confusing.
It is, yeah, it is for a lot of people, but we read these WOPC approvals every day. The conditions are standard model conditions.
Okay.
They're not site specific, but that's our job and that's why you get us on board.
Thank you, because now I can report back to the Ron Dog that everything is running smoothly.
No problems.
And he'll, get off my back then. Today's a really exciting day because all our cabinetry is going in. We're talking kitchen, laundry, in the master suite. We've got a beautiful wardrobe going in. We've got Cal from Calco Cabinets, and this kitchen is looking really beautiful. The color of the cabinetry is Seed by Laminex. It's a really soft, subtle green. And why I love that color is because it's really connecting through to our tile choices in our bathrooms. So this is the exciting part where it all starts to come together. How great is working with Cal from Calco Cabinets, because seriously, nothing is too much of a problem for him. Like, we made a few changes to our design throughout the process and he was really accommodating with that, which is awesome. Listen guys, kitchens sell houses, so you gotta get them right. It's like throwing me the color turquoise in this room. We need to paint that out. But aside from that, that's some pretty significant storage right there, isn't it? So the obvious error was the placement of the Ronlux.
Ronlux has got nothing to do with it.
Ronlux
it's the fact that
really
you gave me no
excited.
plans. You didn't give me any plans.
No.
You said, just put one about there.
You said I just sent it off the room. Really, we probably should have locked in our kitchen plans first. So listen, mistakes have been made, but that's okay.
Yeah, but who's going to fix that mistake?
We are.
I've got a sore elbow.
You are.
I can't.
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Listen, no. So Cal, do you agree? We need to shorten the skylight, right?
100%. Okay, come on, mate.
It needs to be symmetrical, so you need to come in about, do you want to go get something and just go?
Yeah, but is this symmetrical to that?
This is centered to this, it's all centered off this middle point here.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
So then now, you're short. So is that a massive issue to rectify?
Look, it's not a big deal. If Cal says I have to do it.
Well, why? If Cal says you have to do it, you do it. But if I say you don't listen to me.
I don't do dementia. Yeah.
Cal, just say George is always right. George is always right.
Yeah, that's true.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, god damn it.
How good is Cal? Because he agrees with me.
He's another yes guy, mate. Come on, Cal.
Guy.
I thought you were a no guy. Huh?
Our amazing appliances for our house have come. We purchased these from Appliances Online. Do you know they're Australia's biggest online retailer? Amazing. They can also take away all your old appliances as well. I mean, that's not like legendary service. What is? So we've got our washer, our dryer, our dishwasher, our oven, our range hood, our fridge. It's all happening. Because we're doing brass as accents, I didn't want a stainless steel. So this kind of, let's call it gunmetal. That color is really good.
What is it?
And because this is a rental, we didn't want to do an integrated dishwasher because, if you're having to service or whatever, it's just easier just to have a freestanding unit like that.
You're pretty smart.
Yeah. We've got the boys from Bravo installing our amazing porcelain slab. It's from Luso Group. It's Calcutta Oro, the one that we've chosen. Now this is seriously heavy, and the challenge is getting it in our backsplash there perfectly. It's quite a lot in the installation process, so fingers crossed. I'm so impressed that we managed to get one complete panel in, so we didn't have to have a join. In terms of a product for building, porcelain is amazing. It's really durable. You don't have to worry about heat clearance with your cooktop because it's got amazing durability with heat. So all in all, it's just a really impressive product. In terms of the technology, it's really come a long way. So if you stand back and have a look at that panel, it actually looks like natural stone, and that's what I love about it. But it has all the benefits of being a porcelain product.
All right, Sam, we are dying with anticipation. What have you designed, mate?
Oh, let's have a
Can
look.
I just say something though? The front facade of this house as it is so average that it's going to be such an amazing transformation. So excited.
Let's have a look. I think it might be pleasantly surprised on what we
Yes.
possibly can do. So, through.
Oh, Sam.
Oh, that's quite smart. Oh, that's very smart. That's very smart.
Oh!
Yeah,
So again, it's a bit of a tricky site, but I think, you know, we spoke about the levels and everything.
Yes.
Try to link it a little bit.
I really am so impressed by how you've actually just utilised all the space, because I never would have thought of putting like a zone out the front there as your main hub, which is awesome. I love that.
I think like corner blocks, yeah, people don't realise the potential, and
Yeah.
I think, you know, you guys have, well, you brought it, and, you know, it's just activating those areas, so.
Yeah.
So now, Ron, we'll
go
just
build it.
like take this picture and then you just go make that happen.
See you later.
Thanks a lot. Good job. See you, mate.
Thanks, Dad. You're amazing. Thanks so much. So for all our internal walls, we're using Taubman's Endure, and I love this product because it's got superior washability and it's ultra stain resistant. So if we're going to rent this property out, that's the ideal product to use. Don't do it, Ronnie. Ronnie, have some space, mate.
Left and right, up and down.
Painting the front door today, really excited about that. I've chosen a beautiful colour from Taubman's called Chalkware. It's like a dirty, dusky pink. It also features inside our home, that colour. So I love that. It's an entry point, it's a statement, and then you see it connected through the house. It's very modern Palm Springs to have a pop of colour on the front door, so that's why we're doing it.
So basically this room's ready to go. All we need to do is put in your
not ready to
wardrobe.
go.
Why not?
Look at the walls. So can you explain to me the prep that's required for these walls and the ceiling at that
Well,
moment?
when we purchased the house, this was one of the original bedrooms. This kid, who's 45 years old, this was his original room. He had posters on the ceiling, on the walls. Remember how I used to have posters of Bill McPherson? That's what this guy had, but it was like Kiss, rock and roll, death metal. And there's only glue tack, babe, so it actually comes off.
Wait, what is it?
Glue tack.
It's not glue tack.
What is it?
Blue tack.
Glue tack, potato, potato. It's exactly the same thing, mate. So look, it just comes off. So this could be a nice little job for you. This is a very important storeroom. I'm going to build a shed outside so I can put all this stuff, because when we rent this out, I've got to have my tiles, my paints.
You're not building a shed.
I'm building a shed.
You're not building a shed. All
Watch
that
this
stuff.
space. I'm building a shed.
He's not building a shed.
I've got all the materials to build a shed. I've got all the time in the world. I'm building a shed.
Finish the house first and then build a shed.
It doesn't work like that. Where does this stuff go?
Oh.
This stuff can't get wet, babe.
Ronnie, please don't irritate me today. Not today, darling.
The shed is coming. I'm envisioning 3.5 meters by 1.8, at least 2 3 high. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful thing.